General Electric releasing its fourth quarter results, earnings of 27 cents a share on revenue of $31.4 billion. Joining us right now on the telephone is former GE Transportation and Power Systems CEO and the former CEO of Home Depot and Chrysler, Bob Nardelli. Bob, good to talk with you. Thanks so much for weighing in this morning. You worked at GE for 30 years and really was there in the glory days. Your reaction to these numbers this morning?
Well, good morning, Maria. I think if you think about this announcement, John Flannery and his team, obviously were able to make some adjustments to come in at 27 cents. The overall consensus was 28. The estimate was 29. I think one of the big concerns was the drop in earnings from the previous estimate. I think one of the other big concerns was in November they talked about a $3 billion charge. It ended up being about 6.2 for insurance. So I think the big underlying word here with GE right now is uncertainty, as John and his team, try to navigate through some of the issues that they faced. Power Systems, unfortunately, was down more than they had anticipated, which is, the largest segment of the three that they talk about with aviation, healthcare, and then Power Systems. So I think they've got a lot of work to do to bring back investor confidence. Cash looked like it was a little bit stronger than they anticipated. That's good news, considering they still, they still have a dividend, half of what it was. They've got a pension obligation to take care of, and they're trying to reinvest in the businesses. The new tax policy really doesn't help GE a lot. They've done a fabulous job in tax planning over the years, so we'll have to see. I think, the big wait and watch will be how John and the team does in the first quarter of this year. Down significantly from last year, right? 17 versus 16, down significantly.
Yeah. Well, let me bring in Dagan McDowell in New York. Dagan, we've missed you. Great to see you this morning. And, of course, you know that there's been an expectation out there that given the weakness and the fall at GE, that we could actually be talking about a potential split up of this company at this point.
Right, actually, and we will be listening for more comments from the CEO, John Flannery, on that note, because there's been talk, GE looking at exiting that major stake in the oil services business, Baker Hughes, rearranging its board of directors, which I think is probably a long time coming at this point. But if you look at the stock up 2% in pre-market, this has been really the discussion among investors. At what point is this a buying opportunity? This quarter that it reported this morning is a real morass. It's a complete mess, maybe even a throwaway, if you will. The stock last year lost about half of its value, down so far this year. So, again, some investors are willing to step up a little bit and put some money on GE, but it remains to be seen what the road ahead looks like for this company and how much of it will really be left, quite frankly.
Yeah, Bob, what about that? Real quick, I know you sold your position here, but the high was, 59 3/4. Is 17 and change a buy here, you think?
Well, we saw the other day it fell below 16, which was a 52-week low, a 6-year low. I think, it's a wait-and-see attitude right now, Maria. I probably would wait and see before I jump in.
All right, we will leave it there. Bob Nardelli, Dagan McDowell, thank you so much with the analysis on General Electric.